fun meets clean. Today, our heroes Poppy, Sammy, and Mia are on a mission to defeat the pesky giggle germs invading their space. Uh-oh, giggle germs are trouble. They love messy spaces and unwashed hands. These giggle germs love to cause chaos wherever they go. Can you hear them mocking? Clean hands? We hate clean hands, they say. Sammy springs into action, ready to show Poppy and Mia the power of clean hands.
Whoa!
Step 1. Wash paws. Add soap, scrub for 20 seconds, and wash away those pesky germs. Just like this. Left scrubs, right scrubs, in between scrubs, and don't forget the thumbs.
Whoa!
Watch as the giggle germs shrink away, defeated by Sammy's cleanliness. Step 2. Keep sneezes sneaky. Use your elbow to stop germs from spreading. Poppy is amazed by Mia's genius elbow cough power. The last giggle germ makes a run for it, but Poppy catches it with a bottle of hand sanitizer and zaps it away.
Whoa!
Giggle germs can't win against hygiene superstars.
Whoa!
Wash your hands, use your elbow sneeze, and keep giggle germs away all day. The trio celebrates their success, proving that hygiene heroes always win. And that's how Poppy, Sammy, and Mia defended the day. Now it's your turn. Ready, set, giggle germs, be gone!